We are at Embrapa Rice and Bean Center, right in the heart of Brazil. This gene bank holds the biggest collections of rice and bean seeds in Brazil, representing the wide diversity of those two crops.
Rice and beans are the staple food of the Brazilian population.
And agriculturally, they are produced domestically. Brazil is self-sufficient in those two crops. This collaboration came in a very good moment because we had a backlog of seeds to rejuvenate, to increase amounts, and to duplicate in other locations.
Partnership is the key word for us, and Bold is an example of how good partnership can do for the world.
On diversity that we believe exists only in our collection. That is the top priority for safeguarding the seeds in the Svalbard gene bank. We are being able to do all of those objectives during this project with the support of Crop Trust.
Being part of a project like the Bold project is a privilege for us. It allows us to deliver to the farmers and to the consumers materials that will help them with food security, help them with nutrition, and also help them to understand how important the gene banks are for what we do every day.
We believe that genetic diversity is an asset for the humankind. So we are happy to be part of this big challenge of conserving genetic diversity globally and making it available. Our job is part of something much bigger, that is food sustainability in the long run for the whole planet.